Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to add PayPal Smart button in Shopify store. So first, you just have to go to Shopify and build your store right here. You can answer the following question or you can also skip this part. But if you want to continue, just answer these questions and then tap on next. Then here, what you're going to do is start your trial. You can log in using any options below, but for me, the easiest is tap on Google account or by just connecting my Shopify to my Google account. Confirm the Google account right here, and then here you can answer the following or you can tap on remind me later. So for me, I want to tap this remind me next time. Tap this one, and after that, it will take me directly to this plan. So Shopify will let you choose what's the best plan for you. But for the sake of this tutorial, let's just select the basic version. So this is your Shopify dashboard. And to start, what you're going to do is go to your online store. Tap this one right here. Or you can just go and tap on themes. And then if you want to select a theme, you can scroll down. There are free themes below and all you have to do is tap and then click publish and wait for a couple of seconds and you will be notified that you're currently using this theme, for example, Dawn theme. Okay, now before you proceed, what you're going to do is you have to open a new tab, or shall I say, I want to introduce to you the ELF site website. So here, all you have to do is create an account, sign up. But since I have my account already, then I have to proceed with create widget. So make sure that you're logged in, make sure that you have your account right here. So let me tap this, see all widgets. And then here, what you're going to do is you have to look for the search button or search icon. And then you have to type PayPal or PayPal button. So I have to type PayPal here. Okay, type PayPal, and then once you're done, what you're going to do next is tap on PayPal. So here is the PayPal button, tap this one. Now what you're going to do next is you have to select template so that you can choose or you can select what template you want. So other templates here are not for free, so let me choose this one right here. And then now after that, you can edit this layout or this template. So what you're going to do next is you have to simply add, for example, if you want to add the email address right here, add the email address, and then below you can select payment type. You can also select the payment or the product name, also the currency. So all you have to do is to add information here. And then aside from that, you can also edit the design of the template. Like if you want to change the color of this button or this template, you can just basically go to the left side and then you can edit here. You can also add a URL. And then once you're done, if you want to add more, if you want to design or edit more, tap this one right here and then select what button you want to appear here. And also if you want to edit the design, tap on this icon below, tap this one right here, and you can now edit the template of your PayPal. So tap this one, you can increase, decrease, change the color. Okay, everything is up to you. Now once you're done editing your PayPal template and you're good to go, then all you have to do here is tap on the publish button to get the code. Let me tap on the publish button, and then here is the code. I'm going to copy this one, tap on the copy code, go back to your Shopify, and then here on Shopify, what you're going to do is you have to tap on the customize button. Here on the customize button, you can choose if you want to add a PayPal in the main or in the footer. So I want to add here in this section, and then tap on custom liquid. After that, you have to paste the code that you have copied earlier from ELF site, and then after that, tap on save, and you should see the smart or the PayPal Smart button here. This is what it looks like. You can edit this anytime. You can copy the code again and paste it here in the custom liquid. But basically, that's how easy it is to add PayPal Smart button in Shopify store. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.